Hello everyone, this is Jennifer from Wolf Equipment. Today I would like to show you our workshop for the skid steer loaders. So here you can see there are many finished loaders which are ready to be shipped. Follow me please. So here you can see the frame. This one is red, but we can also do many colors according to your customer request. You can do yellow, green, orange, black or white. So they all can be customized. Here, this is the assembly line. Okay, from the back side, you can see here's the radiator and the oil cooler. Here, this way, here's the engine, and it's connected with the pump. The pump is the American Eaton brand, and the pump is giving power to the motor. The motor is also American Eaton brand, and the motor will drive the wheels. And here's the joysticks. And also there's a multi-way valve inside. It's an Italian brand. Okay, and here you can see we all the engines in stock we have. And these are all the engines with different power in different brands. We have different standard for different markets. Some are Euro 5 or EPA standard. Okay, in this area you can see there are a lot of different attachments. Here is the rollers and the 4-in-1 bucket and the log lamp, and these are all can use for the skid loaders. So we can make the loader a multi-functional equipment. And this is the sweeper and the angle broom. Okay, this is the wood chipper. Okay, this is the leveler, and this is the graph fork. Also here is the excavator. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.